Hey there, ladies. Today, we're going to dive into some game. Changing tips that will make your monthly cycle a whole lot easier. I've been through it all, and I know many of you have too. I'm sure most of us rely on external absorbents like this, especially during those intense flow days or when we're worried about staining our clothes. Well, I've got a tip that's about to change the way you use them. Ever tried an external tampon with flaps? These little wonders make using them a breeze, and they're great at preventing leaks. First things first, remove the packaging and simply attach it directly to the central part of your panties. I'm so glad you're here to learn with us. Now here's the secret to this tip, the use of a second absorbent. Again, remove the packaging for the second absorbent. I like to trim the tabs for added comfort and flexibility. Place it directly above the first absorbent, and voila, you'll feel much more secure throughout the day. This method also works perfectly for nighttime use, so you can sleep soundly without any worries. Now I'm dying to know, have any of you ever tried this technique before? Don't worry about using two pads. It's an optional way to ensure you stay clean and comfortable, especially when you can't risk staining your clothes. Another fantastic method is using an external absorbent alongside an internal one. This combo works like a charm, keeping you leak-free. I'm confident that trying this out just once will impress you enough to make it a regular part of your routine. Let me know in the comments if this is a new technique for you or if you've already tried it. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.